Now, we are going to share with you a concept which is very fun, full of fun, and we do this in the office. It's called the Disney chair. Now, have you been to the Disneyland?
Yes.
It's wonderful, fantastic world. There is no other happiest place than the Disneyland. Because Disneyland is the happiest place on earth. It's a small world after all. Alright. Who imagined or created Disneyland? Walt Disney. Walt Disney is probably the most amazing, man ever. Walt Disney actually created that, and it was called the drawing. And then, from the drawing, his own brain actually made it possible and made it into a reality, which is Disneyland right now. Now, there was a story that went around that inside Walt Disney's office, there were 3 chairs. 3 chairs. The first chair is called the dreamer chair. The second one is the realist chair, reality. And the third chair is called the critic chair. So when Disney wants to create ideas, for example, I want to create a character. And then he will think of ways he will actually go in that mode. And that mode is called the trance mode. Pag nagka-trance mode siya, nakaganyan lang siya. Nakatingin na siya sa isang corner. Tumutuloy pa yung laway, pero nag-iisip siya. Nobody in the business of business people, successful business people, had did it better than him, no? Actually, ang ginagawa lang niya, talagang kahit nagkakagulo na, kaya niya actually to go into the trance mode and just create things. He is in his creation brain. He is in his brain called the dreamer's chair. So in his office, he will sit on the dreamer's chair and just dream. And in that chair, he hatched Mickey Mouse. Alright? And then, Mickey Mouse was just something in his dream. And then sabi niya, kailangan lagyan to ng reality. I will make this into a reality. He will move to his next chair, which is the realist chair. The realistic chair. He will be in that mode. He'll start to draw. He'll start to create. He'll start to put the eyes, mouth, whatever. A lot of us will go into this mode without going to the dreamer's mode. Right? This is the realist mode. It's making things work. And then after that, he will ask himself, is this the best that I could do? He will sit on his critic chair. That's his third chair. He will sit there and he will criticize. The role of the critic chair is not to put down my dream. The role of the critic chair is to support the dream. And this is the problem with us when we criticize people or things or ideas or events. The objective is to put it down versus embellish it and make it better. His role is to make it better. Ano pa ang hindi ko naiisip bago ko i-launch to so that my mistakes will be smaller and less costlier. So yeah, he sits on these 3 chairs. That is his critic chair. Diba? And urban myth, or whether it's true or urban myth, they said that whenever you go to Disney's office, you do not know which chair he's sitting on. Hindi mo alam pag nakipag-meeting ka sa kanya, is he actually using his critic brain? Is he using his thinking or his realistic brain? Or is he using his creating or dreamer's brain? We've been doing this practice in the office. We have our own chairs. No? We call the dreamer's chair, to make it more fantastic, the Twinkle chair. When I have an idea, let's go Twinkle. We'll see, because we have all these bean bags where, alam mo na. Now, here's the thing with how the brain works. The brain works in terms of location. Who sat here yesterday? Christy, right? Where did Bam or Jabbar sit yesterday? There. Where did Francis sit? The same seat. Where did Timmy sit yesterday? You will remember. Somewhere there, right? That's how the brain works. Okay? So that is why it's important to have places. So our beanie bags are always there. We don't put it here because here is thinking important things, no? Serious business here. So that is our, we call it a Twinkle chair. And then we have what we call as a Perspiration chair, where we perspire. That's our realistic chair. Let's perspire for this. Ano yung mga things that we need to invest sweat on, blood on, tears on, so that it happens. Because life is not going to be from dream to reality. Life means that there must be discipline, that you have to do it day to day. Ito yung mga to-do list natin. Diba? Virtually, we have that on our OneNote. We will write, Alex is what Alex needs to do, Ina is what Ina needs to do, Paolo is what Paolo needs to do. In a team, for example, you don't need to follow up. Nabang na ba yan? We will just look at each other's OneNote, our Perspiration notebook, and then we will, confer or see if may mga priorities pa na hindi na Tapos, the last chair, we call it the pruning chair, where we keep pruning and polishing all of these things. No? Twinkle pruning can happen once a month. Perspiration must happen every day. Diba? Every day yan. We perspire every day. That's discipline. Things we don't want to do, but we have to do.